Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to basically build an Instagram theme with color psychology. So first of all, choose your color palette. Select 3 to 5 colors based on the emotion that you want to evoke. Blue for trust, yellow for positivity, and red for excitement. Use colors consistently in your photos, graphics, and backgrounds to create an unified look, and edit your photos using apps like Lightroom or Visco to enhance your chosen colors to maintain consistency. Use tools like Planoly to preview or visualize your feed. Alternate colors or content types, quotes, products, lifestyle, strategically, and then align your posts with themes. Your post themes with and messages with the emotions you color represent to create a deeper connection with your audience. And use captions that reflect the tone set by your colors to enhance the overall theme. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.